Hi, in this video we're going to talk about installing the LT Auditor Syslog Server. To do so, you can get to the Blue Lens web page, click Products, and then you'll see our brand new Syslog Server page out here. If you click on the page, it'll bring up information about the Syslog Server, some information that you could find quite useful. Scroll further down on this page and you'll see a button to download the software. When you click on that and download the software, it gets downloaded to the download folder and you'll see a file called LT Syslog Server.zip. As a general practice, it's always good to unblock applications that you download. Let's go ahead and do that. And I'm going to extract the files. And you will see the setup file in that extracted folder. The LT Auditor Syslog Server can be installed on any Windows 10, Windows 2012, Windows 2016 operating system. The only requirement is that you should have .NET 4 and we only support 64-bit systems. So let's go ahead and get started with installing this application. I'm just going to right-click, run it as administrator. And it's starting up the process. And the first thing you get is a screen about welcoming you to this installation process. Let's click Next. You could enter your username or company name, which is what I'm doing here. And clicking Next. You can change the location you want to install this, and I'm going to do that actually. I'm going to put this on my E or Echo drive because that's where I put my applications. Click Next, Install to install, and that's it. It gets done very, very fast in less than a minute. So now let's go ahead and start up this application. I'm going to just go down and look for this application here. And you will see an application called LT Auditor Syslog Server that's just been installed. Let's go ahead and run that application. And there you have it. This is the start screen of the Syslog server. Just a quick point. The application has two tabs. One is a settings tab and the other would be a rules tab. And the next video we'll talk about this settings tab. This is the initial settings, and this is where information gets logged once messages are received. And please proceed to the next video to understand how to configure this particular settings, and then we'll follow that up with another video on how to configure complex rules with LT Auditor Syslog Server. Thank you, and see you in the next video.